Are you a joiner, woodworker, or anyone who ends up with piles of wood shavings, sawdust, paper, cardboard, or other biomass? What if those bags of waste could offset your energy bills, cut your skip hire costs, or even generate extra income? Our B30 Briquette Machine could be the solution you've been looking for. It runs on the power of a toaster, literally, and turns shavings, sawdust, paper, cardboard, straw, bark, branches, and more into high-density briquettes. These briquettes can heat your workshop or home, help your community stay warm, or become an additional revenue stream for your business. If you're already generating wood waste, you're sitting on an untapped resource. The B30 helps you turn it into something clean, valuable, and usable. Don't let your waste cost you money. Turn it into fuel, savings, and opportunity.